kukunin sana namin yung access pass namin, but unfortunately 2 PM pa daw. So plan namin is kumain muna since hindi pa kami nakakapag-breakfast and it's already 11 AM. So I'm gonna update you guys about today. So stay tuned. Hi guys! Magiging ka-group ko si Carter sa Wednesday. Ayun ang nilakad namin guys, all the way from... Hi everyone! So today is Tuesday and today nakaschedule kami for briefing. Kasi tomorrow start na ng duty namin. At meron kaming na-discover ni Rich kasi ang layo ng lalakarin namin. Alam niyo sa Olympics? Speed walking. Dapat ba? Ano yan? Bakit may ganun? Ah, kailangan may ganun.
Kasi gano'n yun, di ba?
Paano? Paano yung paa? Pakita mo yung paa.
May tao sa diba?
Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa car. Nakapagod.
Oh, Mom, pick me up. Kasi guys, tumakbo kami. Siguro it's a good 2 kilometers.
As in, bawal kasi magpasok pag walang sticker yung car. So dito na kami sa labas. And
Pero,
malayo yung parking guys.
and to think na ito na yung pinakamalapit na parking.
Yes! Sobrang layo. Hi guys! Nandito kami sa Susie's. Ito pa order namin guys. Opo. Gabi ka kaya na maganda. Sisi.
Hi.
Hi guys, good morning. It's our first day. Drink color guys. Kapila na kami kasi paunahan sa shuttle. And kinakabahan ka naman.
Hindi pa naman. Siguro pag malapit.
Hi guys, tapos na kami mag-lunch and pinipicturean ko right now si Rich. Hi. Day 1. So wala na kami ginagawa. Kain na kami ngayon. Sarap, tamis. Thank you. Hi everyone, so we're here in Dornirna and dito na kami sa may office. Doon kami kakain later para ready na may table. Yeah, so try ko kayo i-update but I can't promise you anything, so yeah, see you soon.
Yan, yung operative. Ito yung part number.
Hi guys! Tapos na kami sa morning shift namin. And kakain na kami ng lunch early na. Hi guys! It's our lunch time! Nag-drive si Mama Bertie here. I have coffee. Tapos, tayo part. And, collagen. Don't forget.
Nag-turn on. Yan yung sub-sabi.
Hi guys! So, dito na kami sa loob ng hangar and nag-i-inspect lang kami. Tinuturo sa amin yung ibang parts ng aircraft. Meron akong bear brand and granola. Tipid tips. And for today's video, I'd like to show you what I do here in Unix.
Hi guys.
Do ba 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 do.
Hi guys! Tapos na ang week 1.
Equal done.
Magpakilala kayo. Mag-hi kayo. Say hi!
Hi!
Ganyan po dito, malumanay.